Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. I recently got the 4 other Lina nail art stamping plates that were recently released. I purchased them from Nailartuk UK, one of the UK stockists of Lina stamping plates. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Lina nail art Opposites Attract 01. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. I do want to say that at the end of this video I'll be giving an update on my hand and my channel as well. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel. Thank you. So when I did my swatches, as you'll know, I swatch every image. I did somehow, don't know how, miss this whole row. So that's what I'm going to swatch in this video section. I'm going to be using my Tiffany Duo clear stamper and a scraper. Now with my photo swatches, so you can see both sides, I've put them on the same colour just to make it a little easier to see. So the first set I'm going to be using pink nail tips along with a purple stamping polish. And because of all of these images being so close together, I will remove the excess where needed before stamping down. But this is a very pretty image. So I'll just repeat the same with the opposite image. These two are definitely ones that I want to use in a mani. They're absolutely beautiful. And when they are placed side by side, they look amazing together. And it will really bring something different to a mani. For the second set, I'm going to be using white nail tips and a green stamping polish. Now I don't think that I've used this on my channel yet. So I'll just repeat the same again by swatching both sides. When I was doing all of my photos, it was this image that I realised I was missing. It's so unique. It will look amazing against some floral images. So one thing I do want to show is that when they're together, they look brilliant. But you can also use them on their other sides as well. And this one sort of makes an arch with the design. So it'll be interesting to see which images it will work with and which images it won't. For the next set, I'm going to be using teal green nail tips along with a white stamping polish. With these flowers, there's enough space to fill them in with colour and really bring them to life. This design will really fill a nail well. It also has quite a lot of detail from the fine lines to the full colour parts as well. I can see this image being used for spring or summer manis, maybe even adding some other floral designs or maybe some geometric line designs, something a little different. But I love the colour combo with this design, it's beautiful. And then here they are all together, so let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from Lina Nail Art Opposite Attracts 01. Lina Nail Art Opposites Attract 01 is utterly amazing. As I said earlier, I swatched each set on the same colour, which I've not repeated throughout the plate apart from the white, but with the whites the stamping polish is a different colour. In total there is 52 images, which makes 26 sets, which I think is just brilliant. There's a great mix of floral, leaf, butterfly and swirly patterns. I absolutely love this plate. As you're seeing the sets, you are only seeing 2 sets in one picture. I didn't want to add too many sets to the swatch pictures. For the images, I've only used my Tiffany Duo clear stamper. It works perfectly with any of the Lina plates. There is just so much that Opposites Attract is going to be able to offer a mani. I know that using opposite images on a mani is very popular if they're hand drawn. With stamping plates, it's very hard to do this and only some images will work. So this plate is going to be very, very popular. It's why I decided to actually upload this one first. There is some very pretty designs and most have an amazing amount of detail. I personally can't wait to return. I want to try using just one set to add to another Lina stamping plate and to see what that turns out like. I can see this plate working with the 4 Seasons spring and summer range, also the twirls and swirls range, maybe Mad for Mandalas too, and I would probably say that the Make Your Mark range as well. So it's going to work with a lot of ranges within the Lina brand. I really enjoyed working with Opposites Attract. It worked brilliantly for me. I had no issues at all with the Lina stamping plates, and they are one of my top 2 stamping brands to use. And what I'm really excited about is it says 01, which means that Lina will probably bring out another, which I personally can't wait for. I really can't think of another brand who has a plate like this. It is just so inspired. I'll leave in the description box a link for my Lina nail art playlist for my channel. I'll also be bringing the other 3 new stamping plates later on this week and into next week as well. So make sure you have the bell notification on so you don't miss these amazing stamping plates. So for all of the Lina plates, I have done 2 manis for each plate, which is slightly unusual for me. So for the first mani, I've used a gel polish, which I can't talk much about at the moment because it's actually featured in my next video. But it's a stunning burgundy colour. It has come out a little on the brown side in the picture. Now I've only stamped in a pearl white, which does come out silver over the burgundy. Now I've only used images from Opposites Attract, of which I've used 2 images. Now the middle finger, I did wonder what to do, but I decided I would add it from the bottom of the nail instead of on the sides. And I personally think that this whole mani works so well together. I absolutely love it. For the second mani, I have this colour shifting bluey purple nail polish that I'd recently purchased. Again, I've only stamped in the pearl white. It is one of my most favourites to stamp with. Now for this mani, again, I've only used images from Opposite Attract, and I've used 3 different images. Now the middle finger, again, I've done slightly differently. I've used one of the small images on the bottom, and I've sort of angled them sort of to make a pretty nail design instead. Again, I absolutely love this mani. I think it just looks so pretty. Now obviously, because I'm currently not well, my stamping wasn't great, so it could have been a lot better, but I still really do like it though. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would really appreciate it. So a quick update. If you're not following me over on Instagram, you may not know this, but firstly, my hand operation didn't go ahead as planned. It's now going to be set for some time in the future, but I'm not sure when. Secondly, I've decided to change my upload days from Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and they're now going to be going up on Tuesday, Thursdays and Saturdays. My videos will not change at all. It is just the days. So because my op didn't go ahead, I am back to doing 3 videos a week as of now. So this is video 1 for this week. I just want to say thank you all for your amazing support, your comments. They are just amazing to read and I love reading them. So thank you. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Lina Nail Art Opposites Attract 01. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please come over and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.